What's up everyone, it's Tin here from Tutorials Hub, an AI channel that covers anything about AI. Now today we're going to cover best Blender AI 3D model generators. Now these 3D model generators are getting even better as time goes on, and as you know, AI in Blender is nothing new. A lot of people that are using Blender, including you that you're watching this video right now, are using AI to actually create 3D models. Now, in this video, I'm just going to show you the tools. I will not go into the Blender and actually design with these tools, but I will show you some of the tools that I found that are really great picks for best AI 3D model generators for Blender. Now, the first one on this list is called Backflip AI. Now, Backflip AI is a really good one. Currently, they do have a wait list, but as you can see, these are the 3D models that, I've tried in the past, this tool, and it was a really great tool. But right now, I guess they have a wait list. So you actually have to go, and in order to start designing, you have to go to their wait list. Now, this is really great because you can pretty much create any type of 3D model in Backflip AI, and with this tool you can basically go and add it to the Blender. Now, as you can see, full access to Backflip, it's free for the holidays, right? So you can explore now right here. As you can see, I'm currently on the wait list. So again, yeah, you have to go on a wait list in order to basically go and see, how this tool really works. But it's a great tool. Again, endless possibilities. You can create, assemble, remix, do a lot of different things. And also some good people are behind this particular platform. Also, as you can see, some really good and high-end partners and companies that are supporting their platform. So a really good platform. I think this will be one of the biggest ones for Blender especially, so definitely check it out, backflip.ai. Now, second one on this list, obviously most of you probably already know about it, but it's called Auto Painter AI. Now this costs $90. It is a really good AI 3D model generator. Now, as you can see, very high-end AI 3D model generator. You also have AI driving texturing, so seamlessly you can generate realistic textures based on your model geometry, and also control net input. You have stable diffusion integration. If you don't know, stable diffusion is a model that can create really high-end stuff for high quality stylized and highly detailed textures. And then you have also local cloud processing, multi-model support, right? So you can work with all of the 3D models. And as you can see, this is how it looks like inside of the Blender. You can also give life to these characters, right? You can paint them and stuff like that. It's a really powerful plugin. And as you can see, this is how it looks like within Blender. So you actually have a side like a frame in Blender, or not really a frame, but a side panel where you can actually go and adjust things based on, the features, the characters, colors, 3D models, stuff like that. So it's a really great and high quality platform. Now, obviously this plugin is not free. It does cost some money, $19, but again, for $19 you're pretty much getting, faster 3D model generations. It's much more flexible, creative, right? It's also efficient because you're not going to spend a lot of time on your, Blender to actually go and to actually create these 3D characters. Now, you can obviously read more about it, right? I'll not go really into too much details here, but definitely something to think about. A really great tool. Again, 400 plus sales so far, so 400 plus people are currently using it. This is a smaller community, but again, Blender, not a lot of people are using, Blender in terms of like, the whole world, right? Just people that are using Blender are using Blender, right? So that's a common sense. But yeah, so that's the second one. The third one is again another tool called Dreamcraft 3D. Now this one is more so to generate texture meshes. So for example, as you can see, this is one prompt right here. So you can create this type of prompts with this tool. This tool does need a little bit more coding knowledge in order to actually install this tool, which is again, something that happens right here. As you can see, for example, 3D CGI Pixar Lionel Messi. So this is an example right here. You can see it right here in 3 different styles and meshes. And then you can see, for example, Batman right here. We have that, right? A blue jay right here. And yeah, as you can see, very quality results. You can also see more results right here on the website if you go and if you scroll down, and you can see how actually quality this looks like. So obviously for this one, you will need to go and you will need to go to the code, and you can also go to the video. But if you go to the code here, you will actually have the installation guide on how to install it. I think this one is free for some time. I'm not really sure completely, but yeah, I think it's free. And as you can see, it's using text to image diffusion, and here is installation process, right? And for those of you who are interested into installing this, as you can see, you must have an NVIDIA graphics card and at least 20 gigabyte VRAM and have CUDA installed as well. So that's something you have to kind of keep in mind. So those are three different 3D AI model generators that I would recommend. Backflip, one of those, Auto Painter, which is not free. Backflip is free, and then we have DeepSeek, which DeepSeek Dreamcraft 3D, which is I think partially free. I'm not 100% sure. Again, this is just me covering what I saw worked the best in terms of 3D AI generation. So again, I would say if you want completely free, go with Backflip AI. If you want to dabble, go with Dreamcraft. If you want something more professional, go with Auto Painter AI. Again, just $19 for, you know, a lifetime version of this is pretty damn sweet. So yeah, again, those are 3D AI model generators for Blender. If you want to know more about AI tools, a bunch of different tools, we are covering a bunch of different tools on our channel. Comment below what you want to see next, and comment below which one of your Blender AI 3D model generators is the best, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.